Hey, I'm Jason from the Developer Experience team at OpenAI, and today we're going to answer some questions about Codex Spark from Cerebras. All right, let's see what you guys are asking. Oh my god. I was told to do this a little bit more carefully. There we go. What is Cerebras and why does it make Spark so much faster? Cerebras creates AI chips with a special architecture that allows for incredibly fast training and inference. The Codex Spark model runs on that chip over there. And later today, we'll show you a demo of how quick and fast these chips really are. All right, last question. What should I use Codex versus Codex Spark for? Codex is our frontier model that is perfect for complex tasks and planning when you have to build a very sophisticated feature. Spark, on the other hand, is a model that is incredibly fast. It can be used for different kinds of research tasks, and it can make many function calls, which allows it to be very interactive and real time. But the best workflows work together. The analogy I always use is that Codex is a bus for the mind. You can get on once you know where you're going, you can take a nap, check your phone, and once you wake up, you're there. The work is already done. With Spark, it's like a fast car. You might have to pay attention to where you're going, but you'll get there faster. The best workflows blend these two models together. Codex can be used for building complex plans, these Spark models can be used to do research, and on top of that, have a very real-time interactive way of working with your code base. All right, let's go to the next set of questions. What is the number of Codex sessions you have running at one time? I feel like these days I have about 10 or 20 Codex sessions running at the same time. I have research agents that are looking through Slack to tell me what's going on. I have 2 or 3 agents working on demos at any given time. And recently, a lot of the documentation have been created just from Slack. And so when new things need to be changed, we can tag the Codex agent on the Slack platform and start creating jobs right away from there. What do OpenAI engineers use Codex for? So obviously we use Codex to build Codex itself. We use it to power some of our research teams. And more interestingly, these days, we also use Codex for a lot of non-coding tasks. So a lot of our open source repositories have been managed through Codex. This could be doing things like understanding what issues have been duplicates, whether or not pull requests are able to be merged, and a lot of maintenance work around the code itself has been automated through Codex applications. What makes Codex so slow? So we've built Codex in a way that works like a really good software engineer. It takes a lot more time of reading the code to understand what changes need to happen, rather than just trying to change code right away. In the past couple of months, we've made a ton of different improvements in how we do inference, including things like our WebSockets API that allows Codex to be even faster. This also motivates why we want to build out Codex Spark. We have a fast model for everyday tasks and a slower, smarter model for more complex features we want to build out. This is why it's important to use both a fast and slow model at times. The faster model allows you to build more interactively, and the slower model allows you to write and review more complex features, which gives you all the tools you need as a developer in the Codex app.